Okay everyone, and today video I'm going to show you what is the difference between input and output voltage. Okay, input voltage, that means the power input to your adapter, and the output voltage, that means the power output from your adapter. Okay, as you can see on the text here, the input voltage of this adapter 100 to 240 volts, and the output voltage is 20 voltage. Okay, so that means the adapter is the converter from the AC voltage to DC voltage. You can see this logo, that means the AC voltage, and this logo, that means the DC voltage. Okay, on your multimeter you will find the same logo here. This the AC, and this one to measuring the DC voltage. Okay, now I try to measuring the voltage from my socket. Okay, you can see now it's 235 voltage. Okay, so to measure the output voltage, you need to have the adapter that can connect from this output to have the two cable like this, so you can measure it. But unfortunately my adapter, it cannot plug to this computer adapter, so I will try with this one to let you know what is the output voltage. But we have the different adapter. This one input voltage the same, 100 to 240 volts, and the output voltage is about 12 voltage. Okay, and let's see what will happen. And be careful not to attach two of this cable together, it will short circuit. Okay, before we plug adapter to the power socket, now we try to change the option to DC voltage, and then I connect this connector to the output. Okay, another one to the black. Okay, let's disconnect this one first. And plug it. Okay, and now you see the output voltage is now 12.30 DC voltage. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of the difference between the input and the output voltage to your adapter. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope this video will let you know what you want to know. And now bye bye and have a nice day.